Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. So I'm inside the RV, and I thought instead of filming my ugly face, let's show you the rain and hail coming down today. It is about a little after 2 p.m., but you can see how dark and cloudy it is today. So I just thought I'd show a little bit of this coming down and let you know what Ninja and I plan on doing for the rest of the day. Yeah, let's get out of the mud and get into those trees. You can just hear it coming down. Well, the good news is maybe this will help with the campfire ban. Then we can get back to some cast iron skillet, cook it over a campfire. But of course, not only does the fire ban need to be gone, it needs to not be raining at night. It usually does stop a little bit before sunset though. Wow. So what to do on this rainy and hail-filled day? Well, we stay inside. I'm filming at this angle because any minute Ninja's probably going to jump up here. Up, there she is. Come on up to bed with Daddy. Come on. Since it is about 66 degrees, I actually have on my sweats and my hoodie. But that's the thing with the RV is it gets a little hotter than it is outside in here. And it lets the cooler air in. There she is. Okay, you want to come under the covers? Come on. Come on under the covers. Come on under the covers. Come on with Daddy. Oop. It's hard to do one-handed. There she goes. Keep going. We don't want to see your butt. Come on. So I had to hold it open. That's not me moving my legs. That's Ninja between my legs under the blankets. But I had to hold the blankets open so she could have a good visual and see down to where she's going. Of course, now she's fully covered up. It's great because she's keeping my legs warm and she's keeping warm. It's really not even a cold day. It's just kind of cool. But that's pretty much what we're going to do is stay in bed and watch some videos, YouTube, read news. Ninja did go outside for about an hour and a half earlier when it was sunny, but it's going to be a lazy day. So if anything exciting happens or changes, I'll definitely add it in right here. Well, as expected, about 2 hours before sunset, the sun did come out. You can see we're about an hour away from sunset now. Ninja had went out in this area, stealth mode, as she do, searching for some playmate. As soon as she left the area, I don't know where she's at now, but nothing around where I could see, this little guy came out. Now on that tree to the left of it, there's like a branch that comes out, and right on top of it is a little chipmunk. And like I had said before, and I showed in the short, 1 or 2 of these guys come out on this tree almost every day. But it's funny, they came out after Ninja left the area. I guess the chipmunks aren't that dumb, or maybe they're lucky. So that's about that. We shouldn't have any more rain till tomorrow. But I appreciate you coming along on my daily journey here with Ninja and I. Thank you for watching. Moth. Thanks for watching. And be positive, be nice, and be active. Although, you can't always be active. I'm not going to go out in the rain and walk today. Did do a hike yesterday. So, y'all take care. Please smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already. pounce it around, let them know you like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you as part of the family here, subscribing and coming along on our journey and getting alerts anytime I post a new video. Y'all take care.